Fourth grade mathematicians, we are back to do some IXL. So first things first, I'm going to go in and find my IXL assignment for today. I'm going to click on the buttons today, but you can also, of course, use the calendar to see what's new. So the first skill that we have is D.15. Notice how it says spend 30 minutes on IXL or master both skills. That means I don't want to see you spending an hour and a half on IXL, only 30 minutes. If you are able to master both skills in under 30 minutes, you're done with IXL for the day. So I click on the skill. Notice it does not have me already signed in. If it pops up like this, it's going to say looking for Wallace Stegner Academy. I'm going to click sign in here. It's got our logo and click sign in. I have my password and username saved so I don't have to type it in. And then of course I double check that my name is in that upper right hand corner. That shows me that I am ready to go. I'm going to move this over so you can see what I am working out as well. After I have gotten logged in, what I'm going to do to make my life easier is click out of it and then click that skill again. Because this time it takes me directly to the skill that I want to use. Now I'm back to my skill on one side, and then you guys can see my scratch paper. I would just have you guys use a piece of lined paper to be showing off your skills. Now some of these you might know off the top of your head. You might know what 11 times 8 is right away. Just a reminder, IXL is randomly generated problems, so yours might look different than mine. So you might know what 11 times 8 is off the top of your head. And if you do, great, that's not a bad thing. But if you need a little extra help, I'm going to remind you how to do multiplication because we haven't done a lot of it with double digits and single digits yet. And this is something we do a lot of in fourth grade. To get in the habit of saying it correctly, I want you to say it along with me or repeat it right after. So to start off, we start with the bottom number instead of the top. When we subtract or when we add, we always start with the top numbers and work our way down. With multiplication, we start with the bottom number and work our way up. So we do 8 times 1 equals 8, write the 8. 8 times 1 equals 8, write the 8. What's my answer? 88. So then I'm going to come in and put it in my IXL and hit submit. Once again, if you know this off the top of your head, great, but I would also encourage you to practice it this way. I'm just writing the problem now. Ready, begin. 2 times 2 equals 4. Write the 4. 2 times 1 equals 2. Write the 2. What's the answer? 24. So over here, I'm going to write a 2 and then a 4. Mine is pretty laggy today, so I'm going a little bit slower than I'd like you to do it. If I was saying it normally, I'll bump it up to how fast I would normally say it, even if my writing doesn't match. But I'm going to start off, once again, another slow one, just so you're with me. 2 times 4 equals 8. Write the 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. Write the 8. What's the answer? 88. This one, I'm just going to talk through it as fast as I want you to do it. Now, I know you know what 10 times 3 is, but I'm just going to show you how fast I would normally be saying it if my computer wasn't lagging. Ready, begin. 3 times 0 equals 0. Write the 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. Write the 3. What's the answer? 30. That's how fast I want you to get to. Now, you might not be there already, and that's okay. But I think we'll be able to get there if you just practice. This one, once again, I'll write it here. but I know I have to go a little bit slower for the lagging, but I'm gonna go pretty fast. Starting with the bottom number. 2 times 3 equals 6. Write the 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. Write the 6. What's the answer? 66. The more you do this, the easier it will get. But this is really, really important that you understand that we start with the bottom first and that you go up and then over to hit all of those other numbers. If you can get that down, once we start doing multi-digit multiplication, which we do a lot of in 4th grade, you're going to be a pro and it's not even going to feel hard. All right. Bye, guys.